Hello lovelies, welcome back to another video. Today I am at my husband's shop's bathroom. He's allowing me to clean the bathroom today, so you're gonna get quite a show because it's quite a bit of dirt and grime to clean up here. So I hope this video gives you guys some good cleaning motivation. So let's get to it. Alright, so first off we are going to be starting in the, well, we are in the bathroom. But sorry, I'm kind of recording this a little bit later. But yeah, we are starting at the toilet, which was the grossest thing to clean at the shop. Yeah, it's been needing a cleaning for a while now, so I was happy to get this done.
We're soaring up high, got no clue. How do I know what I mean to you? Yeah. Say it out loud, spill the truth. Tell me how I'm gonna get close to you. Yeah. High and low, in between, acting out, make a scene. Working on our body language, working on our body language. Baby, now tell me exactly how you feel. I'm just trying to keep it real. Let me love you on the inside, love you on the inside. Tell me exactly what you mean. You mean everything to me. Let me love you on the inside, love you on the inside. Tell me you're lost, feel so blue, leaving me on the spot so confused. Oh baby, tasting so sweet, acting so rude.
Also, I had just gotten off of work right before coming over here, so that is why I'm still in my scrub pants and shirt.
Acting out, make a scene. Working on our body language, working on our body language. Baby, now tell me exactly how you feel. I'm just trying to keep it real. Let me love you on the inside, love you on the inside. Tell me exactly what you mean. You mean everything to me. Let me love you on the inside, love you on the inside. Dance on the beat, I don't want no excuses. You keep me feeling so clueless. I'd like to dream, keep on dreaming about us, baby. Hey. Now tell me exactly how you feel. I'm just trying to keep it real. Let me love you on the inside, love you on the inside. Tell me exactly what you mean. You mean everything to me. Let me love you on the inside, love you on the inside. I was at the wrong place at the right time, 'cause suddenly there you were with those bright blue eyes. We were conversing under the night sky, when you took my hand, said let's leave now. Don't wanna be shy, I will let my guard down.
Some of these marks on the floor, I'm not entirely sure what it is, and it would not come up. So fortunately, the floor did not get as clean as I would have liked it, but it was still a lot cleaner than what it started out.
I wanna love out loud, talk a little deeper, kiss a little harder, love a little louder, love a little louder. We went to a small bar with neon lights, talked about everything that was on our minds. took my hand, said let's leave now. Don't wanna be shy, I will let my guard down. Don't wanna be shy, I will let my guard down. I wanna laugh out loud, talk a little deeper, kiss a little harder. I wanna laugh out loud, talk a little deeper, kiss a little harder, love a little louder, love a little louder, love a little louder, love a little louder, love out loud, love out loud, love out loud, love out loud. Don't wanna be shy, I will let my guard down. I wanna laugh out loud, talk a little deeper, kiss a little harder. I wanna laugh out loud, talk a little deeper, kiss a little harder, love a little louder, love a little louder, love a little louder, love a little louder, love a little louder.
Alright, that's about as good as I'm getting her. So the bathroom is all clean now. Definitely looks 10 times better than it did when I first started in here. But I hope this gave you guys a lot of cleaning motivation. And with that, I will see you guys on the next video. And if this is your first time here, I hope you think about hitting that subscribe button down below. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.